Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Today I will show you a recipe using fenugreek leaves, commonly known as methi shag in Bengali, where methi is fenugreek and shag refers to any kind of leafy greens. I used a whole bunch of fenugreek leaves for this recipe. These are available at all Indian grocery stores and sometimes even you get it at Asian supermarkets. You need to use only the leaves. The stalks are fibrous, so please discard them. Methi leaves have a slight bitter note to them, so if you find the end product tasting little bitter, then please keep this in mind that you haven't done anything wrong. But the leaves itself are slightly bitter, but you will like that flavor. Trust me, my friends, methi leaves are extremely flavorful and delicious. After taking out the leaves, wash them thoroughly and then chop them finely. Pan out, heat a tablespoon of oil over medium heat. Before the oil turns too hot, add 1/8 of a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, that is methi. This is optional, but the fenugreek seeds elevate the flavor even more, so I love using them. Then minced potato goes in. Fry the potatoes on medium-high heat till they start getting golden brown in color. As you can see, the potatoes have taken up this beautiful color. So now is the time to add the chopped fenugreek leaves along with salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now cover on low heat till the potatoes turn soft. In another pan, heat another tablespoon of oil and add the chopped eggplant. Please cut the eggplant into small pieces, the same size like the potatoes. Add little salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and stir the eggplants on medium heat. Why not add the eggplants directly with the potatoes? And why this extra step in another pan, you must be thinking. Previously I used to combine potatoes and eggplants all together and try to cook it. But at the end, my eggplants turned into a mush. And it looked like a mushy disaster, with the eggplants looking pathetic, and the whole dish looked like mashed up something which was hard to tell what it was. I learned this trick from my aunt of cooking the eggplants separately, and I love this idea. Cover the pan for an initial few minutes. As soon as you start to see even one piece of eggplant starting to fall apart, do not cover anymore. And from then onwards, just stir from time to time and keep it uncovered. Remember to go back to the potatoes and check on them from time to time. When they turn soft, just switch off the heat and keep it covered. My eggplants have turned tender, and see how you can make out each piece of them instead of guessing like, it is a mush of what? Okay, now switch the heat back on for the potatoes. Keep on medium heat. Add the eggplants to the potatoes. Just give a brief mix with gentle hands and switch off the heat again. As you can see, there is nothing mushy here. The potatoes are standing out and those eggplants are delicately depicting their existence, and each piece of potato and eggplant is studded with those beautiful fenugreek greens that are so flavorful and so delicious. Please help this video to reach more people by clicking that like button for me, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.